Hello everyone. Thank you so much for your feedback in the survey, and I really appreciate your feedbacks. And based on the feedbacks, I have improved my prototype, and this is the version 2. So most of the feedbacks I have found like the output of the AI is not good enough, and if you give the AI poor quality user stories, then the AI is actually hallucinate and give us irrelevant suggestions. So based on this, I have improved my prototype a little bit. So I just want to show you a with a quick review. So now, if you want to add the sustainability aspect in user stories, so now I have converted into a four-step process. So basically, first, when you have a user stories, let's say, let's take this stories. So first, it will check the user story based on invest framework. So this framework actually tells the quality of the user stories, like how good the user story actually is. So if you can see in here, the framework is telling like this story is independable, valuable, but it is not negotiable and testable and sustainable. So now our main job is to convert this unstructured user stories into a more structural one, so that on the later on we can convert this into a sustainable version. So before we converted this into a sustainable version, we need to check the quality, then restructure it into a better format. For example, in here you can see this is our original user histories, and then we have converted it into a structural based story. So like as a content provider, I want my content result to be displayed in a separate row from other providers result, so that the viewers can clearly distinguish my content within the combined result list. So now we will give the AI this is structural one to embed sustainability actually. uh, Now the AI will convert this good user experience into a more sustainable version one. So you can see in here the acceptance criteria is also added. Yeah, now we can compare the three versions. This is the original version of the user stories. Then in the second step, the user story is converted into a structural one, then it converted into a sustainable version one. For example, as a content provider, I want my content result to be clearly grouped in a separate row only when relevant results are available and displayed efficiently within the combined result list, so that the viewers can distinguish my content without unnecessary loading or processing of data. So this is the a small changes. So I believe it will help the poor quality user stories into a more structural one, and later on we can add the sustainability indication into the user stories. So thank you so much, and please fill up the second version of the survey, and thank you so much for your time. Okay.